You got anything on you?
Sit on up.
You got anything on you?
No, I'm sitting here sleeping half dead, right? And they said I have a concealed weapon. I wasn't reaching for anything.
Officers responded to a man camping on the side of a highway, claiming he was living off-grid. Under Morrow County law, off-grid living is legal, but not on county property. Instead of allowing him to move, officers escalated the situation, ignoring his claims of injury and pushing for immediate compliance. The man, who had a spinal cord injury, tried to explain his situation, but deputies quickly became forceful, disregarding his medical needs. When he hesitated to leave his tent, they accused him of reaching for a weapon and forcefully removed him, intensifying the confrontation.
Sheriff's office. How you doing, bud? Is this where you're staying at? Hi.
Temporarily.
Temporary?
Yes.
What happened to your neck? You need an ambulance or something?
I have a fractured spinal cord, so I can't be walking too much.
Damn, that sounds bad. How old are your puppies?
They're 21 days old.
Okay.
Hey, Cruz.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Fussy. It's all right, Fuss. It's okay. Good girl. I'm glad you gave him the food I brought. Her. We're thinking what's best is we hold them for protection.
No, it's okay. I can keep the puppies. They're in a good environment. It's in a tent. It's still, you don't understand, it's my decision what I want to do with the puppies.
So here's the thing, Cruz, we understand that, but here's the thing, you are illegally camping here, right?
I'm not illegally camping nowhere, because in Monroe County, it's called off-grid living, and that's 100% legal.
Okay. Not on county property. You can do off-grid living out there.
Okay, then I'm going to remove this stuff, and then I'm going to go out there then.
Why don't you come out here so we can talk to you?
No, I don't want to talk. I already know what is going on, and...
Hey, I don't know what you...
But,
come out here. Come out here right now.
What, the machete?
Yeah, I'm talking about the machete. Get out here right now.
That's a concealed weapon. Then it's in here. There's nothing wrong with that.
Thing, bud. Get out of the tent now before I move you out of the tent.
Oh, I should have put that in.
I'm gonna count to 3, and then I'm gonna remove you.
Hi, Mama.
I don't ask twice.
Come on, man.
I ask once, and then I tell you, then I make you.
You all got a kennel or something to start grabbing these puppies?
I'm getting my shoes,
Stop
man.
reaching for
Stop making up stuff. God damn. Jesus Christ.
Nah, we've been nice for a while.
Hi,
I don't being nice nothing. I didn't do nothing. I'm grabbing my shoes.
Right there. Here's your second shoe. Stop reaching.
Jesus Christ. And no, you're not taking my puppy. This is my decision.
No, we're taking it.
No, you're not. Look. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Do not grab me again.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do not grab me again.
Don't touch me.
You understand me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You understand me?
I did not do nothing illegal.
You are not gonna touch me.
I have I have a neck brace. That's illegal.
You understand that you are not gonna touch me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
Do not come at me like that again.
I didn't do nothing illegal. Fussy, chill.
Do not.
I didn't do
I lost my handcuffs.
Take your dogs.
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You did. We're taking your dogs.
What did I do illegal? Damn, what are you doing? Let me control it.
Stop.
Let me control it. Let me control it.
Let go of her arm.
Let me control her.
Give me your other arm.
Let me control it. I didn't do nothing wrong. What did I do? You said illegally lock me up?
We're not.
Then let me get my dog. Let me get my dog. That's illegal, man. What you doing? You laughing? Stop laughing.
I'm not laughing, dude.
You are laughing. Come here,
Stop grabbing at her.
No, call me the lieutenant now. That's a direct order. I'm machete.
What are you doing? You want to handcuff him the other hand first?
Yeah. Your hand go.
No, I'm not. I want to touch her. I'm not talking to the service. Stop putting your hands on me. I didn't do nothing. I didn't even reach for
You reach for it again, it's gonna hurt.
No.
Hobble.
Yeah, get the hobble.
Where do you have one in your car? Do you have one on you?
No.
If that's the lieutenant or sergeant.
You want to spin him around? Get him in cuffs?
Hobble's on the side passenger door.
I want compliance, sergeant. Stop hitting me. I'm talking to the sergeant.
You're not talking to anybody right now.
That's the sergeant.
It doesn't matter.
Hobble your feet.
Racist, man. I'm not even doing nothing. I didn't get a pressure to my wrist. All right, I'm up.
Tighten the hobbles.
Flip over.
Now. No, this is so necessary.
It is, and it's over. So we're done. You're okay? We're okay. That's it.
All right, can I get up now?
In a minute. All right, get one aside.
You good?
The situation spiraled when officers attempted to take his puppies. Under Florida Statute Section 828.12, it is illegal to subject animals to unnecessary suffering. The officers ignored his protests, deciding that removing the puppies was necessary, despite no evidence of neglect. When the mother dog reacted aggressively to protect her owner, biting one of the deputies, officers grew more aggressive. The man, already injured, resisted their rough treatment, leading to a chaotic struggle where officers accused him of assault, disregarding his attempts to de-escalate. Instead of prioritizing safety, they handled him with excessive force, worsening his injuries.
You got anything on
Sit
you?
on up.
You got anything on you?
No, I'm sitting here sleeping half dead, right? And they said I have a concealed weapon. I wasn't reaching for anything.
Where's a weapon in here? Anything?
It's a machete that I purchased.
Anything else?
No, I had no guns, no drugs, nothing. I have a service dog.
Okay.
And you can review the cameras. She said I'm illegally 10. She said, I think it's best if we take your dog. I said, no, I would move somewhere else.
Stand him up. We're gonna walk him out here.
1, 2, 3.
Can you go my neck brace, my neck brace, my neck brace.
Where's it at?
We'll get it. Don't worry. We got a paramedic coming to look at you. All right. Let's walk up here.
It's fine. Yep.
All right. Have a seat right here. Sit on your side. I'm gonna have a paramedic come take a look at you. All right.
All right, so I'm chilling, right? I'm laying down, and they said, I think it's best if we take your dogs. I said, no, I have a settlement. I can go somewhere else. He said, you illegally camping on government property. I said, off-grid living is 100% legal. And she saw that I had a machete. She said, stop reaching. I wasn't reaching for anything. I grabbed my shoes, and then the guy just assaulted me out of the ordinary. I didn't even do nothing wrong. I said, you on my neck, you on my neck. I have a C5 fracture. I have a settlement. That's disorderly conduct, man.
I'm gonna walk him down to the shade.
Grab my neck brace. Grab my neck brace.
The Sarge will be up here. I'm gonna get you situated first, and then I'll go down there and get it. Okay?
I need my puppies. I need my
You
dogs.
understand? You want to go to the shade first?
Yes.
All right. Let's walk to the shade.
I need my puppies because I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. I'm not here. I just got here. There. All right.
Can you breathe?
No, it's just my neck. I have a C5 fracture.
Okay. Just relax. We'll take care of
Rescue's
it.
coming.
We got the
This
ambulance.
tent's right back here.
And that's why I kept coming this way because I knew it was gonna go sideways.
I saw the machete and I reached for it.
All right. Way to handle it and be composed and not go the other way with it.
I tried to come outside and talk to us because I knew,
Right.
you know, the dog was biting me everywhere. The dog went nuts.
The dog bit you. Break skin
I
anywhere.
don't know. I'm not worried about it now.
All right, go sit in your car.
I can't. I don't have my keys.
Okay. Go down there and look. Let's get you in the car, cooled off, and then we'll go from there.
They came and picked it up because
Okay.
they thought it was best for them to go in
now.
the shelter.
Let him.
I see the dog, but I want to make sure your dog's taken care of. That's all we care about. Make sure everything's taken
What's
care
your
of.
name?
My name is Crucito.
That's your real name?
Yeah, that's my
Birth
government
name.
name. Birth government name.
Yeah, but where's your ID out of?
It's in there.
What
Where's
state?
it from?
From Maryland.
Maryland?
Yes, sir. This guy come, tell me stop reaching. I'm grabbing my shoes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take you down. I'm not reaching for nothing.
Let's just calm down. Do you mind if I go get your ID?
Yes.
Where's it at?
It's in the hub part. The pouch.
The pouch?
Yeah.
All right. When I walk in your tent, is it gonna be to the left or to the right?
I think it's gonna be to your left.
Okay.
But just check all of them,
Do
though.
I have permission to go grab it?
Yes.
Okay, not a problem. I'm gonna go grab that ID. All right.
All right, thank you. They taser me. I'm trying to get off of my neck. I have a fracture. I haven't healed yet. I have a fracture. He's on my neck. Told me to shut the f up if I don't do nothing.
How you doing? This is rescue. Okay, just tell them.
So I'm sitting down because I'm hot. I'm suffering from strokes. So the officers and the animal control, they said, I think it's best if you take your dog. So the lady looked inside my tent. She saw a machete. She said, stand down, stand down. That first and foremost, it's a machete. I'm an executive chef. I went to school for chef, and I'm a registered fighter underneath Tai Chi.
They're not here. They're not here for that. They're here for you medical. Medical.
I have a C5 fracture on my spinal cord. This guy put pressure on my spinal cord. I can die any minute. He's paralyzable.
Right. When did that happen?
This happened on March the 24th when I was hit by a car on my moped.
This recent March?
Yes, this recent March.
Do you have neck pain?
Yes, all on my spinal cord.
Do you wear a
Any
brace
ID?
or anything?
Yes, I had my neck breaks in there. He took it off of me.
You wear that all the time?
Yes, all the time.
Put it on you now, alright?
Thank you.
We'll take your vitals and everything, but I mean, it looks like you're moving your neck fine, right?
No, it hurts.
It hurts?
Yeah, it hurts
All right.
bad.
I mean, we can take it to the hospital and get checked out, or...
No, I wanna see what they're gonna do first, because I need to grab my dog and my puppies.
Right.
Your puppies are fine. They're not going to come with you if you either way. You're going to go to the if you're going to the
So
hospital.
you wear this all the time, right?
Yes.
All
I
right.
need a new one because it's tearing apart on me.
Okay.
See, you can see where he broke it apart.
You have any allergies?
No. Y'all can review the camera, Sarge. I'm telling you,
not-
I never reached for anything.
I'm not here. I'm just the third officer that got here, buddy.
All right.
All right. That's all I am. The sergeant went over there to talk to her. So
Because there's nothing, there's no concealed guns in there, there's no pepper spray, there's nothing in there. I'm telling them, get off my neck, get off my neck. No, shut up. I'm like, dog, I have a neck injury.
They couldn't, it's like they were scared that the dog was gonna bite them. The dog was in our space biting us. And I keep yelling at her, you need to grab the dog and pull her. And they're like, she doesn't want to go. I'm like, I really don't care right now. Yank the dog, we're getting bit and we're fighting with this guy.
I'm not dealing with the dog anymore.
The guy was on my spinal cord. I have a C5. I'm telling you, get off. It's paralyzable. You gotta get off my neck. I'm working with you. He didn't care. I have a settlement. I have a personal injury lawyer.
Well, everything's on camera, so it'll be documented.
Thank you.
Let me just take some pictures real quick for our report. And please don't stay in my cell phone. I'm not gonna put on Facebook. They go into our own database and they get into evidence.com. All right,
So this is where everything was. Is right here in the corner.
Yeah.
He sat up and he reached and the machete was back there. I jumped in there and grabbed the machete and threw it out.
She's gonna take you by the hospital, get checked out.
No, I'm good. I just want to go. I'm just want to.
We have to. It's,
We're gonna do it anyway, man, just to be safe.
No. We have to. It's just a safety thing, especially because your neck.
No, he didn't take that as an issue.
Listen. Even though it doesn't show up on the instruments, the hospital has better instruments. They can do a better check. All right,
Go ahead
brother?
and stand up.
We just want to make sure you're fine. All right.
we're gonna walk this way. Right here, second car. Just take a seat, relax, okay? I'm gonna take the hobble. Hobble's gonna come off so he can get in here. He hasn't been a problem. You don't want this back on you, right? You're not gonna be a problem.
Nah, hell no. I'm just.
All right, I'm gonna drop it down to your feet. Wiggle your legs a little bit. Now you can step out of it. All right. All right. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
What's your first name again?
Crucito.
Crisito?
Yeah.
Go by Chris or anything?
Cruz.
Cruz? All right,
Yeah.
Cruz. All right, buddy. I'm gonna close this. Watch your arm, okay?
Where that failed.
Despite his injuries, officers transported him to jail after medical clearance. Under Florida statute, section 776.05, law enforcement use of force must be necessary and proportional. Yet, the officers piled multiple charges against him, including resisting without violence, resisting with violence, and aggravated assault on an officer. His service dog and puppies were taken from him, raising concerns about whether the officers had truly acted in the best interest of the animals. What started as a simple response to a camping violation turned into an unnecessary display of force, showing just how far some officers are willing to go to assert control. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.